Hi, my name is Andy. Today we're going to talk about the harmonic series. The harmonic series is the sum of 1 over n. So that equals 1 plus 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 1/4 plus 1/5, etc. Now the interesting thing about the harmonic series is that even though the limit as n approaches infinity of the terms is 0, so the limit is 0, you can see that the terms decrease ad infinitum. Even though the limit of the terms is 0, the series, the sum of the terms, does not converge, it's divergent. And I can show you how. Sometimes it's confusing to understand why it's divergent when you keep on adding smaller and smaller and smaller things, but it's important to understand that even though you're adding smaller and smaller and smaller, you're adding 1/6, 1/7, 1/8, it gets smaller with each term, but you're still adding something. So compare this to a different sequence, or series, a different series, which all of the terms in the harmonic series are greater than or equal to the terms in this series. So 1 plus 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, etc. So all of the terms in the harmonic series are greater than or equal to these terms. So if we can show that this series diverges, then any series which is greater than or equal to that series definitely has to diverge. So if you look at this, 1 plus 1/2 plus, if you group these, that's another half, and if you group these 4/8, that's another half, and you can do that forever. So you're going to keep on adding 1, 1, you're going to keep on adding halves, or you're going to keep on adding ones forever. So the series will never reach a finite limit. There will never be a number which is the sum of the series. It will continue to grow onto infinity. So even though all of the terms keep on getting smaller and smaller, the harmonic series is divergent. And it's tricky to understand sometimes, but I think if you ponder it and you consider this comparison test, it's easy to understand. I'll leave you with a fun fact about the harmonic series. The reason that it's called the harmonic series is because of the harmonic in music. Each of these represents a harmonic of the overtone, which is represented by 1. So, for example, if you were to pluck a string on a guitar and then lightly tap the octave with your finger, you would be cutting off the string at half of its length, and that would be its first overtone. Alright, that's all I got.